So how to remove a debit card from PayPal. So to unlink a debit card from your PayPal account, it's very simple to do and it can be done within the PayPal app. So first things first, you just want to go ahead and click on accounts right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked through to accounts, you just want to scroll down a little bit until you come to this section here, which will display all the bank accounts and debit cards on your PayPal account. So for example here, you can clearly see we've got a Monzo one. So to go ahead and remove it, you just want to click it. Then once you clicked on the debit card you want to remove, it will bring you to this page here. And nice and simple, you just want to select remove right here. Then are you sure? You just want to say remove once more. And there you have it. And your debit card has successfully been removed from your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.